Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunny and today's video we are going to learn about reactive forms in Angular 19. So reactive forms provides a powerful way to handle form inputs with better control and flexibility. We will look on all the bases, key concept, and we will do a practical example to understand how they work. So let's get started. So first of all, let's understand what are reactive forms. Reactive forms are one of the two types of forms in Angular. Reactive forms are based on a model driven approach, which means the form logic is defined entirely in the component class. Reactive forms are highly scalable, predictable, and it uses observables to handle the change efficiently. So now let's quickly go over some of the building blocks of reactive forms. So form control. What is form control? It represents a single form element. Form group, it is a collection of form control. Third one is form array. It manages an array of form control. And we use validators to handle the validation and reactive form module. We need to import it. Now let's understand how can we set up reactive forms in our application. So we will be understanding it by creating a practical example, but for now you can look on this code to understand it. So I'm going to do it practically. So last time we created this login form. So now let's make a registration form. I will be making a register component. Let's try to make it quickly. So now next thing is to set route. Now we have to go to our header file. In header we have this, we have to set it, we have to create a link for a registration in which I will be we will create a reactive form. Let's try to copy HTML. So we use maximum time uh, in understanding the example. Reactive registration form, and let's close the div. Here we go. Now let's create a form. Now look, there is a little difference how we create a forms. So we have to go to our registration. We have to user user form is equal to new form control. Form control we can import it from the Angular form, and let's copy this. I will explain you. So here So this is a submit is equal to false. It is just a variable to check whether we have submitted the form or not. We will be using it. We are using it in line number 21, and probably we can also use this variable in our template file. So line number 15, I created a user form is equal to new form group. So we already understood what is a this new form group, form control, validators, and you can follow this. What is now you can practically understand form group. What it from form group did, it is used to group multiple form controls. Now form controls, it represents a single form element like name, email, whatever we want to pass here. And a validator, it is used to form validation. So inside it we can make it validator require, like validator minimum length, email, whatever we want to set, we can do it. So now we have to import validator quick fix again from the Angular forms. Now our this basic structure for form group is ready. Now let's see if it is working. It is giving us some error. No, it should not. Maybe server restarted. What is this? It may be some other. Not sure if it has to do with reactive form. It should not be actually. Let's restart. Okay, now we have to create a HTML for this form. So here in this file, in this example, we have created it internally in the template, but in our case we are going to use uh, in template file. So here I'm creating a form group. Now let's understand. I created a form. I declared form group is equal to user form. Now from where this user form is coming, this is the same name here. Next one is ng submit is equal to on submit. It means when the form will be submitted, the control will go to this function on submit. This one. So here initially submitted is false. So it means after submitting, we are updating this variable to true, and we are trying to print the user form value here. So whatever we will send it from form, we will uh, we are going to show it in our console. Next thing is it's a label, then input id is equal to name. It's a form control name. We have to give it name, and now this is the way of handling the validation in the template for a reactive form. User form, this one dot controls, name of the form control name, dot invalid or touch. It means if we are going to touch this input, and if it is invalid, then this div the will be display in this div will display in the template. And otherwise, if it's the not if it's valid and it has been touched, or maybe it has been not touched, then this line number 8 is not going to load in the template. Similarly, line number 13, and we have created a form control here for email. And line number 17, if form is disabled, then if form is invalid, then submit button will be disabled. And in line number 20, we are displaying the user form uh, data in our screen in the format of JSON. So let's do it practically. Okay, so there is some error. So what is the error here? We have to import common module like this. There will be another error. Can't bind to form group. we need to import reactive forms module. Sunny, Sunny, no, it's still our submit button is disabled. So until I pass valid value, it will be disabled. Now let's try to pass some valid value like this. Now button is enabled. Now see, name is required and it should be at least 3 character long, like S. Let's submit it, and you can see form has been submitted, and we can see the submitted data in our screen. So guys, this is an example for the reactive forms in Angular, and I hope you found this tutorial on reactive form to be helpful, and if you did, then please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more awesome Angular videos. And please do let me know in the comment if you have any question or want tutorial on specific topics. So catch you in the next video. Thank you.